Hello friends, my name is Radamasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that why project management is important. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and important, especially if you are a student of project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So this is a very important interesting question for you. So let's just start. Friend, first of all I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also please follow me on the Facebook page of mine as well. So let's just start, friend. Today's topic is why project management is important. Friend, it is an interesting question that clients sometimes ask. That they will ask, can't we just brief the team during the doing the work and manage them ourselves? I will load the cheaper. So basically, they will ask that why project management is important. They wonder if they really need a project management because it looks like an unnecessary tax and overhead, as project managers don't really deliver anything and often get in the way of what they want the team to do. So basically today we shall discuss in detail that why project management is important. First thing is strategic alignment. Friend, project management is important because it ensures what is being delivered is right and will deliver real value against the business opportunity. Every client has strategic goals and the projects that we do for them advance those goals. Project management is important because part of a PM's duties is to ensure there is a rigor in architecting projects properly so that they fit well within the broader context of our client's strategic framework. Good project management ensures that the goal of projects closely align with the strategic goals of the business. In identifying a solid business case and being methodological about calculating ROI, project management is important because it can help to ensure the right thing is delivered that's going to deliver right value and real value. Of course, as project progress, it is possible that risk may emerge that turn into issues or even the business strategy may change. But a project manager will ensure that the project is part of the realignment. Project management really matters here because projects that veer off course or which fail to adopt the business needs may end up being expensive and unnecessary. Okay. Then the next point is the leadership. Friend, when we talk about leadership, basically project management is important because it brings leadership and direction to projects. Without project management, a team can be like a ship without a captain, moving but without direction, control or purpose. Leadership allows and enables team members to do their best work. Project management provides leadership and vision, motivation, removing roadblocks, coaching and inspiring the team to do their work. Project manager serve the team but also ensure clear lines of accountability. With a project manager in place, there is no confusion about who is in charge and in control of whatever is going on in a project. So project manager enforce process and keep everyone on the team in line too, because ultimately they carry responsibility for whether the project fails or success. Next point is the focus. Friend, clear focus and objective is very important in a project. Project management is important because it ensures there is a proper plan for executing on a strategic goals. Where project management is left to the team to work out by themselves, you will find team work without proper briefs and without a defined project management methodology. Projects lack focus, can have vague or without objectives, and leave the team not quite sure what they are supposed to be doing or why they are doing. As project managers, we position ourselves to prevent such a situation and drive the timely accomplishment of tasks by breaking up a project into tasks for the team. Oftentimes, the foresight to take such an approach is what differentiates good project management from bad. Breaking up into smaller chunks of what enables team to remain focused and clear objectives gear their efforts towards achieving the ultimate project goal through the completion of a smaller steps, and to quickly identify risks. Hence, risk management is important in project management. Often, projects goal have to change in line with the materializing risk. Again, without dedicating oversight and management, a project could swiftly falter, but good project management is what enables the team to focus and, when necessary, refocus on their objectives as well. Okay, then next one is the project planning. Project planning means that project management is important because it ensures proper expectations are set around what can be delivered by when and for how much. Without proper project management and a solid project plan, budget and estimates and project delivery timelines can be set that are over ambitious or lacking in analogous estimating insight from similar projects. Ultimately, this means without good project management, projects get delivered late and over budget. Effective project managers should be able to negotiate reasonable and achievable deadlines and milestones across key stakeholders, team, and management. Too often, the urgency placed on delivery compromises the necessary steps and ultimately the quality of the project outcome as well. We all know that most tasks will take longer than initially anticipated. A good project manager is able to analyze the balance the available resources with the required timeline and develop a realistic schedule. Project management really matters when scheduling because it brings objectivity to the planning. A good project manager creates a clear process with achievable deadlines that enables everyone within the project team to work within reasonable bounds and not unreasonable expectations. Quality control. Okay, so this is another a benefit of the project planning, project management, that quality project management is important because it ensures the quality of whatever is being delivered consistently hits the mark as well. Projects are also usually under enormous pressure to be completed without a dedicated project manager who has the support and buy-in of executive management. Tasks are underestimated, schedules tightened, and processes rushed. The result is bad quality output because there is no quality management in place. Dedicated project management ensures that not only does a project have the time and resources to deliver, but also that the output is quality tested at every stage of a project. Good project management demands gated phases where teams can assess the output for quality, applicability, and ROI. Project management is important to quality because it allows for a staggered and phased process, creating time for teams to examine and test their outputs at every step along the way. The next one is the risk management. Friend, risk management means that basically risk management is also very important. Project management is important because it ensures the risks are properly managed and mitigated against to avoid becoming issues. Risk management is critical to project success. The temptation is just to sweep them and under the carpet. Never talk about them to the client and hope for the best. But having a robust process around the identification, management, and mitigation of risk is what helps prevent risk from becoming issues. Especially in complex projects, dealing with risk is where the value of project management really comes into play. Good project management practices requires project managers to carefully analyze all potential risks to the project, quantify them, develop a mitigation plan against them, and a contingency plan should any of them materialize. It requires knowing the right questions to ask in order to uncover risk early. Naturally, risks should be prioritized according to the likelihood of them occurring, and appropriate responses are allocated per risk. Okay. So good project management matters in this regard because projects never go to the plan, and how we deal with change and adopt our project management plan is a key to deliver projects successfully. Next one is the orderly process. Orderly process, when we talk about, basically orderly process means that project management is important because it ensures the right people do the right things at the right time. It ensures proper project management process is followed throughout the project life cycle. Surprisingly, many large and well-known companies have reactive planning processes that are not really based around any real project management strategies. Okay, but reactivity as opposed to proactivity can often cause projects to go into survival mode. This is when teams fracture, tasks duplicate, and planning becomes reactive, creating inefficiency and frustration among the team members. Proper planning and process can make a massive difference as the team knows who is doing what, when, and how. Proper process helps to clarify roles, responsibilities, streamline process and inputs, anticipate risk, and create checks and balances to ensure the project is continually aligned with the overall strategy. Project management matters here because without an orderly, easily understood process, companies risk project failure, attribution of trust in their business relationships, and resource wastage as well. Then next one is the continuously oversighting. Basically, a friend, continuous oversighting means that project management is important because it ensures a project progress is tracked and reported properly. Status reporting might sound boring and unnecessary, and if everything is going to plan, it can just feel like documentation for documentation's sake as well. But continuous project oversight, ensuring that a project is tracking properly against the original plan, is critical to ensure that a project stays on track. When proper oversight and project reporting is in place, it makes it easy to see what a project is beginning to deviate from its intended course. The earlier you are able to spot project deviation, the easier it is to course correct it. So, good project managers will regularly generally generate easy progress or status reports as part of their stakeholder management. This enables clients or proper project stakeholders to track the project on their own. Typically, their status reports will provide insights into the work that was completed and planned, the hours utilized, and how they track against those planned, how the project is tracking against milestones, risks, assumptions, issues, and dependencies, and any outputs of the project as it proceeds. This data is invaluable not only for tracking progress but helps client gain the trust of other stakeholders in their organization. Giving them easy oversight of a project progress, it also gives your team a simple, consistent way to maintain regular contact to build your client relationship. Then the next one is the subject matter expertise. Subject matter expertise, basically, friend, project management is important because someone needs to be able to understand if everyone is doing what they should. Okay, so with a few years of experience under their belt, project managers will know a little about a lot of aspects of delivering the project they manage. They will build technical skills, project management skills, and subject matter expertise. They will know everything about the work that their teams execute, the platforms and systems they use, the possibilities and limitations, and the kinds of issues that typically occur. Having this kind of subject matter expertise means they can have intelligent and informed conversations with clients, teams, stakeholders, and suppliers. They are well equipped to be the hub of communication on a project, ensuring that as the project flows between different teams and phases of work, nothing gets forgotten about overlooked. Without subject matter expertise through project management, you can find a project becomes unbalanced. The creatives ignore the limitations of technology, or the developers forgot the creative vision of the project. Project management keeps the team focused on the basically vision and brings everyone together, forcing the right compromises to make the project a success. So friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues. And thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.